Hey folks, it's a big one here today at Redactor. We've got a TV that comes with its own fancy stand, so it's time to take our test bench apart so we can show it to you. As the title of today's video suggests, we're unboxing the 2021 LG Gallery OLED Evo TV today. It's a real mouthful, but it's a hell of a TV, so it's worth it. A big shout out to Mia for always helping me set up these TVs, even though she hates doing it. The most important thing for us is to be safe and tidy, so that's what we're doing here as I take apart my own LG C8 OLED and Sonos Playbar so we can show you the Gallery OLED Evo for 2021. This one's interesting in that this year's Gallery OLED models can only be wall mounted or sit on a massive silver art stand that we're about to put together. Unlike other models like the 2021 LG C1 OLED, or even last year's Gallery OLED, or this year's frame, the 2021 Gallery OLED doesn't come with a low-profile stand. It's an interesting proposition and one that I think might actually turn a few people off. Because we're not about to screw a rental TV into the wall of our apartment, we've opted to review it with the stand. By the way, the stand will run you about $500 if you want to purchase it separately. It does not come with the TV. I repeat, it does not come with the TV when you buy it. The Gallery stand is essentially three parts: a tripod, a base plate, and the mounting pole. Despite being relatively simple when you think about it, it's actually pretty intimidating and time-consuming to put together when you open the box. I blame bad instructions and illustrations for that. Make friends with your instruction sheet. The truth is, however, if you've spent the money to buy both the TV and the stand, you probably have the funds to pay for an installer too, which means that this headache is not yours to bear. Let me tell you a bit about what OLED Evo actually means on the new Gallery TV for 2021. First of all, OLED Evo boosts the brightness of your TV overall. LG says that an OLED Evo panel will be 20% brighter on a full white image compared to the average OLED panel for 2021. Back to the design briefly, and you'll notice that the LG Gallery OLED this year does a better job at hiding cable mess inside its own structure, rather than simply use a single cable like the Samsung frame, which leaves it all to the One Connect box to handle. Check out our review of the Samsung frame on our channel. The OLED Evo inserts a new red and green color layer into the TV for more vibrant color. It's similar technology that boosts the color performance on LG's LED-based Nanocell and QNED TVs. LG says that green in particular is the one that the human eye can see the easiest. By producing better colors on both the green and red wavelengths, LG can create a quote-unquote better image experience overall. This thing runs on WebOS, like all LG TVs, and it's an awesome operating system that's both super reliable and dependable. That said, this setup is significantly shortened after the TV failed to recognize my Wi-Fi network on the first couple of tries. And that's the setup. We'll show you more of the LG Gallery OLED in our full review coming soon. In the meantime, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, as it helps us find new viewers, and subscribe to see more. Thanks for watching.